What I'm about to explain to you now is how to change a shear bolt in your snowblower. If you come over, this is the bolt, your shear bolt right here, which runs the auger blade from spinning. This protects the transmission. So if you pick up a rock or a newspaper, this machine will bind up in this part, it'll break the shear bolt, and it'll make the spot spin without damaging your transmission. How to change it? With the Olin brakes, it's a 1/2-inch bolt. You take the 1/2-inch nut off, along with the 1/2-inch bolt, the XP slides right out. The new ones on these models are attached to the sides of your snowblower. Remove it, has a nut and the bolt right here. Take it out. Now I'm about to show you how to remove the old shear pin to replace the new one by using a 1/2-inch wrench and a 1/2-inch socket wrench. Move the old one. Now what you want to do is you want to line up the hole right here along with the hole in the shaft. Just by spinning it around, as you can see, the hole is there. Put the bolt right back in. Put the nut back on. Now it's all set, ready for use.